Good morning, everyone. As my check-in is 2 o'clock, as I said, as you guys know already, I need to kill time somehow. So I'm just walking around in the most beautiful city all over the world. Why? Because look at this bridge. Look a bit how beautiful this bridge is made. Look a bit architecture. You got the river. You got everything. What different cities, they don't have it. Look a bit how beautiful is this bridge made. You see? So yeah, that's why I love Budapest. I've been here so many times, as I can consider it my second home. Honest. Beautiful city, guys. Now we're gonna go over there on top to see the view. So my friends, I got lazy, okay, and I'm in this hut. What that means? I'm in a cable car. We're gonna go up on top over there, mate. You know what? I think it's a rip-off. 1,400 forints. Bit pricey, but yeah, what to do? Let's see. So yes, guys, you wanna see nice places? Follow me. Follow my journey over here. Look how beautiful is this city. Vas-y, from us, huh? Oh, look, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and still busy. Of course it's busy. This is the main attraction. Okay, we need to wait. Slowly, slowly. We need to go to the hot spot now for the pictures. Hello everyone. Hello. Where are you from? Serbian. Hello Serbia. I just been there. Now I came in the morning. See you later. So look at how beautiful it is here. The proper hot spot for pictures. You see, what I'm telling you is beautiful place. Now we're on top of the hill, top of the world, top of Budapest. Beautiful city. Oh, I got so many coins now over here, some forints. Look, and all my pocket is like ching 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 ching. It's a bit annoying, to be honest. So hello. So look a bit. Let's go to the proper one, where people, they don't really know about it. Everyone is staying behind that one. Oh, the hotspot is now busy. Look, it's busy. But you need to come here and make some pictures if you really want to make some nice pictures. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop a bit to make some pictures. Again, some pictures. So, for all you guys who don't know whereabout we are, we're on top of the castle. Look at it, the view. You will need to come here in Budapest just to see everything with your own eyes. How beautiful this city is. Let's go where the statue is. Look, you're passing this bridge over here. People down under. Look, we're gonna go down there in a minute. Few minutes, yeah. Yeah, so let's follow our journey. Oh, you know what? As I've been traveling so much, I have no clean clothes. Hopefully this Airbnb will have a washing machine or something. All my clothes on me are a bit stinky. Oop. Mind their head. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, so hopefully I will have a washing machine to sort out my clothes. Otherwise I will need to buy some. Another t-shirt, this, that, you know how is it? I supposed to take extra clothes. I didn't plan this trip so proper. So I ran out of clean stuff. Yeah. Look a bit. And by the way, I was just joking when I said 1200 forint is a lot for the car cable. 1200 forint is around 3-4 euros, so I don't know. All depends on you. And if you to go from ground, okay, from point A to point B is less than 2 minutes. So I don't know what to say. Look the castle. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so here was someone. Oh mate, let me go down a bit, no? Oh. How cool is that? Yeah, no more hee. It's locked. Now I need to turn around with my big backpack, which I don't really fit nowhere with it. Yeah, and go up. Oops. Okay, now all my jacket is dusty now. But anyway, doesn't matter. Look this garden over here. That's cool. You know, if I'll have the money to buy a flat, a house, whatever, Budapest will be the first city where I'll buy it. Honest. That much I'm in love with this city. Oh, look, let's see what's happening here. Oh, he's step. Hello. It's locked. Needs to go up on the tower, I think. So let's turn back. think of it, because ages ago here was these guys, Hungarians, the soldiers, all this stuff, no? Huns. How was a long time ago? The Huns? Hungary. How? Kind of. The Hun Imperium. Anyway, you guys know better than me. Let's go down. Oh, these steps are a bit funny when I well, you know, I'm 125 kgs, no? Because of Athens and Istanbul. Because of gyros, souvlaki, and shawarma kebabs. And plus my backpack is quite heavy. Oh, look here. Can't go in. Hello. No one in. And I think I'm gonna take 5 more kgs here in Budapest, just because they have a proper soup. You know what? Oh my days. No, it's not goulash. No. It's a bean soup with smoked meat. Oh my friend. That's the proper one. I forgot the name of that one. Okay, but I see here something. People are turning back, but no way, not me, my friend. I see some steps, no? Let's go. Look, architecture. Oh, I think over there on the right hand side we can pass through if we're going up on the steps. But no, I need to go here. I want to see this stuff. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. So my friends, let's go further. Oh, I remember first time for me Budapest was 2015, 16. And when I saw this beautiful city, from that moment I'm in love with it. It was nice. Yeah, of course, in that time I didn't film everything and all this stuff. I just started to film again first time in October, my first Filipino journey. And I remember I was coming up down on these steps, you get me? It's not because I was taking the cable car or... Oh, it's nice. Look, how cool is that? Are you supposed to take the other steps to go one level down where those chaps are? But nah. I'm the Istvan King. Istvan Pishti Gabor. You know what, I'm happy because I don't have to go these steps up. Way much better when I'm going down. Yes, my friend, what's happening here? Tell me. You okay? You good? Nice one. Have a good day. Look here, the gardens, how nice they are, mate. You know, as every city got that farmek, how to say, that nice atmosphere on summer. Now it's February, you know, so you don't see any green trees or something like. But on summer, oh my days, brother. Oh my days, my friend. I can't go, no. During the summer, this city is very beautiful. Even now it's beautiful. For me, it's beautiful 24 hours, 7 days a week. Honest. Okay. You know, because I'm going everywhere. How cool is that? Hello, morning. That's nice. Hello. Okay, let's go down, down, down. Oh, so I arrived on the road, kind of ground floor. On the main road I arrived. Look at how cool is that? Yeah. So my friends, this was the castle, okay? Now let me think where about we're gonna go to kill more time a bit. What's up? You know what? I'm thinking, let's try to do the same stuff what I've done it in Athens. At the moment, local time is 11 o'clock, no? So let me see if the room is empty. So let's go. I failed. Look over there, is it? But there is someone inside. I see the cleaner or something. The door is open and stuff like. So I can't check in, yeah? It is how it is, brother.